Port protection is a security feature preventing unauthorized number transfers. To disable it on Total Wireless, you need a transfer PIN, also known as an unlock code or porting PIN. This PIN is essential for switching carriers or unlocking your device. You'll typically request this PIN through the Total Wireless app or website, streamlining the process. Make sure your account is in good standing with no outstanding balances. Recent FCC regulations have pushed carriers to offer easier device unlocking, so you should be able to get your PIN relatively quickly, often within 24 to 48 hours. Keep in mind that stricter verification methods, like biometric checks, are becoming more common due to rising porting fraud. The process for requesting port disable or transfer PIN generally involves submitting a request through multiple channels. You can do this online via the Total Wireless website, through their mobile app, or by calling customer service directly. For device unlocking, you'll need your IMEI number, which can be found by dialing *06 on your phone or checking the device packaging. For disabling port protection, provide your account details. Eligible requests are typically free, though expedited services might involve a small fee. Looking ahead, expect greater reliance on digital self-service with AI-powered chatbots enabling instant PIN generation. Fraud prevention will strengthen through multi-factor authentication and biometric verification methods. The trend moves toward greater consumer control, with port protection potentially becoming opt-in rather than opt-out. This shift is driven by regulatory changes and technological advancements like blockchain verification for secure processes.